So I wanted to take a couple minutes to talk about the features of the no-lift system and which ones I like the best. First off, it comes with these little hooks. They slide in here. You can tighten them down if you want. You can leave them loose if you want. But what they do is they latch onto the stone and keep it from falling forward. You got these short ones here, and then you got these long ones here. So if you have an L top or something, the long ones will work. We use these little hooks on every install. Not 50% of them, not 25% of them. Every one of them we use those. And if our trailer is at a weird angle, we'll use every one of them, put a ratchet strap across it. We use this thing for about anything. The next, probably the main feature of the no-lift system is the electric motor. As you can see, I'm pushing the button here on my necklace. I can do it from across the room if I want. But you just push this button, it raises up. It's got these little feet here that the stone sits on. And once you get it raised all the way up, it's got a lever over here. Pull that lever, turns flat. It's got these roller bearings, slides right off. And as you can see, we're a little higher than the cabinet is here. All you do is hit your button, lower it down to where you're level with your cabinet. It slides right on. Like I said, you won't even break a sweat. So that is an awesome feature. Another feature it has, every wheel has got these little locks. Right now I can spin this wheel any way I want. But if I pull this lock, now it won't move. Pull this lock, now this one won't move. And if I'm loading something on it and I want to make sure it doesn't move either way, I'll clamp those wheels down that way and I'll clamp these down the opposite way. Now my cart's pretty much not going to move anyway. So also this no-lift system, they send you this bridge here. Up to 5 stairs. You can set this up, roll right over. It comes with a couple rubber mats, keep you from damaging the sidewalk or a wood porch or the hardwood floor inside the house. You got to be careful, don't pinch your fingers, but man, it's money. Up to 5 steps, it's awesome. I would like to buy a second one of these because sometimes on a job site you have 2 sets of steps. If you're going up a sidewalk, you might have 2 little steps. Then you get to the porch and you've got 4 steps. So sometimes we have to lift over one set and then roll up to our second set, or we have to decide which set of steps we want to use this on. But this is awesome also. Another thing they send you is an aluminum bar, and they send you several suction cups to go on it. Anybody that works in the granite industry knows you put these over a sink run, clamp it down, keeps it from flexing and breaking. Also, if you have a super long top without a sink run in it, once you raise it all the way up and you pull your lever, you might have a lot of meat hanging over each side and you're worried about it flexing. You put those bars across it with the suction cups, you don't have to worry about it flexing or breaking. That keeps it good to go. Only thing you got to do to charge this, you plug this, plugs right in here. It's real easy. It's as easy as charging your phone. You plug it in right here, it snaps in. You plug this into the wall, it lights up, lets you know it's charging, lets you know when it's done charging. You can run an extension cord out to your truck. We just roll ours in every day. It's real easy to roll. There's just so many good features. I just keep thinking of other stuff that I like. I guess this will be the last one I talk about because I don't want to eat up too much time. But anybody that's ever worked on a commercial job site knows you're moving around people, walls, doors, everything. And if you've used like a normal drywall cart or something like that, you might have a little bit of a reservoir in the front, but then your back is straight. With the no-lift system, you've got a reservoir in the front and the back. So basically you only got about a little 3-inch area here that you got to avoid. So man, you can pretty much go through any doorway, any hallway, because these reservoirs allow you to maneuver and not hit anything. And that's just awesome. That's good engineering on this cart. That's thinking ahead. So, you know, I just talked about 4, 5, 6 different things that I really use and really enjoy about this no-lift system. It says 600-pound capacity on this. I tell you, I've had a lot more than 600 pounds on it, and this thing is a stud. So I would highly recommend anybody buying this. It's worth double what they charge for it. I mean, it is worth its weight in gold. So I say go ahead and make that investment. Thanks for watching, guys.